Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick midweek update on 1113. Not a lot of engine assembly progress to speak of this week. I've been busy with a couple of other projects. Bell housing did clean up and checks out. No cracks in there, so we're good. Good to use that piece, which is quite a weight off my mind. Building a stand, once we roll this thing back over, I'm kind of getting nervous about this cart that it's been on. I'm pretty sure we are nearing its maximum capacity, and I don't know that I trust that real heavy bell housing to go on here and to still have this thing hold up. So, building a stand for after I turn that over, and a little bit of background noise going on. We got the old Craftsman metal cutting bandsaw, cutting metal. As you can see, got a little bit of a framework started right here. Some old 5-inch C channel. It's some reclaimed stuff. There used to be a big bee's nest under there. It's got some old holes torched in it. And you can see we had kind of some scrappy end pieces that I cut off. Kind of stuff like that. But you can see that's kind of taken shape on the bell housing. I was able to utilize a lot of these threaded holes in here for excellent mounting areas. These are just mock-up bolts, so don't get too worried in case they look a little bit subpar. Got this little deal going right here. Working on it right now. That bolt pattern right there I think is suspiciously similar to the pattern that's on each side of that radiator support. They've just been begging for something. So I do like to have my things on wheels to move around really easy. So I have 4 of these 5-inch diameter 900 pounds capacity a piece swivel casters. So 900 pounds capacity times 4. A D3400 fully assembled is about 1,600 pounds. Like I've said before, never underdo the overkill, right? So, saw's still doing well. So, here's what I'm cutting out from that. 2 pieces to join these together there, and now do a couple more for that one and start popping some wheels on. So, that's pretty much what's been keeping me busy here this week. I'm hoping to have probably the bell housing on and maybe the thing flipped by this weekend. I don't know, but I figured I'd just let you guys kind of know what's been going on. When you start building things like this, it takes a lot of time. So I see we're just about through right there. I'm going to have to get after that saw in a minute. That's my update, midweek 1113. Progress, no progress, I don't know, but it's all got to get done. Thanks for watching, everybody. I got to get after that saw. Hope to see you back again.